All right, we're going to do a little overnight test with this Keystone 50-pint dehumidifier. This is my camper. Just came back from a couple-month road trip. She's a little beat up, dirty. Sprang a leak this summer, so I patched it up with Flex Seal when I got back. But got a little bit of moisture to take out of here now. So, test out this dehumidifier. See, it's mostly empty. I was just using it inside the cab of the truck. So it's beeping at me, telling me to put that reservoir back in. So we're going to put it on normal. Humidity levels at 53%. We are going to come back tomorrow after work, so it's probably about 4:45, 5 o'clock right now in the evening. We'll come back tomorrow around the same time, see how much water we got. Okay, fast forward to tomorrow. It's almost been 24 hours, so let's see what we got. Okay, humidity level is 44, so I think I'll probably run it a little longer, but let's go ahead and turn it off and see how much water is in there. A fair amount. I'll dump it out and I'll show you. So this has been 24 hours in my camper. It's actually quite a bit of water, more than I expected. But I did have a leak for a while towards the end of the summer, so I'm not incredibly surprised. So probably run this for the weekend, maybe do another 24 hours, and see how it does. But as you see, the Keystone 50-pint energy efficient dehumidifier does do its job. This is a relatively small space for a dehumidifier that size, but I've ran it in my house, ran it in my truck, ran it in my camper. It's pretty dang strong. It definitely does what it says it's supposed to do. So I'll leave a link in the description where I got it from. You can check it out for yourself, or maybe you found my video because you were already looking up the Keystone. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you on the next one.